Well, from top to bottom, folks, this is the day when we have to remove this piece of piping that's coming from upstairs. This is the AC line to the there's a unit in the base in the ceiling, and it has to be removed and moved out of the way into the corner. So this is a process today. So construction progress continues. This is Shippy the Explorer. This is Sunday, but we have to get this done so that the workers can come in tomorrow and continue the main other work. So the whole idea is to move this is you have to drain all the freon out of the system, and it's a whole system. So it will be moved over into between the joists. So that's one aspect. Oops. So this is Shippy the Explorer saying welcome back to the station and a new adventure and a new exploration today, folks, where we take you onto this ride of construction, reconstruction process. The guys are here. You don't mind me video part of it?
No problem.
you never might be might be scared of YouTubers.
Oh, yeah, YouTuber.
Yeah. Shippy the Explorer.
Okay.
Shippy the Explorer.
Okay.
Yeah. So the whole idea is to drain the freon in this is what number again? The old R22. Yeah, there's a R22 that's ancient. That's dinosaur material. So the whole idea is to drain that down and collect it into the unit, and then they can cut the line and move it. So it's this unit is 30 years old. It's those of you who like to talk about Carrier product, it's a heat pump system, and it's 30 something years old, folks, and running like a charm. So you can see all the electronics there that have been sitting there for all these years, 3 decades. My golly. That's when we talk about Carrier products. Carrier used to be it is one of the top products of the industry, and you just can't beat that. So the oil will be trapped in this. They'll cut the line, remove the line, and then resupply the system with the oil. And they can't even add anything to it because that type of oil doesn't exist anymore. The government is banning that type of oil. So this is Shippy the Explorer taking you on another adventure this morning, and well, I venture out. The workers, Mr. O'Neill and his team and his nephew, will be doing their stuff. So talk to you soon, folks. And it's a lovely day. The sun is shining. College Park is bright and bustling. And welcome to this part of the world. I trust that you are doing okay wherever you are. Talk to you. Well, remind you today is also Sunday, and we have reached a day of worship in the Christian Church, Disciples of Christ movement, and we have reached the intersection of where the church is, the building, as of course the people is a church, and this is new. We have dramatically been asking to get new signs for the last 10 years, and here we are. We finally got them in, and that means things are looking up at the church, folks. I'll just drive down to the back where we're supposed to have another sign in the back here, and Pete, thanks to Pete, he has gotten things done, and here we go. Wow. So these are just stationary signs, and then the electronic one is at the top, but as people approach from this side, they can see the sign, and they can enter through here. So that looks good. Real nice, and that's a marked improvement to what we do here at the institution, religious institution. Well, we're trying our best to feed the poor and look after the lame and take care of the spiritual need of people. So if it's something better, if we're doing something and it's better for the folks that we deal with, well, what else can we ask for? You know, if you do good, then that's the best thing in life. All right, so let me get back into where I park, and just survey the property a little bit. Always never fail to show you that pond, folks, and how tranquil this place is, even with the leaves on the ground. University Christian Church property is a blessing to the spirit. All right. So let's venture out and continue the day's taping and see where that leads us. Welcome to this lovely morning again, folks. See you soon. So I'm back, and I was away, so let's see if the guys were able to move the pipes. Here we go. Ta-da! Wow. My golly. Look at all that fanciness down there. That's what they did. Wow. My golly. They drilled through the studs, came up through here, came back through here, and then run the line back in. So now I can see the roof. So when we put in the bathroom now for the ventilation, we'll be able to get straight up through the roof. Tell you. All right. This looks good. Let's see. Oh. So the remodeling contractor, when he comes tomorrow, then we'll be able to continue the work and continue laying their pipes and pulling their copper pipes or plastic PVC pipes. So that looks like good work. They're cleaning for something. Let me see if I can restructure this. Okay, so that's the progress, folks. Shippy the Explorer. We'll continue exploring together, and maybe I should take you outside to see that part of the work before we shut down this so hopefully you're learning something from this process, wherever you are in the world, and seeing that we're doing the right thing to get things straightened out. So let's check the machine and see if everything is all right. So machine seem like the same, nothing different than what we have here. Okay, all right. Here we are. So I just want to report that this has been a fine day. We had gathering and worship, and some people, you might have just had relaxation with your family or around the home and with friends, but wherever you are, and we certainly trust that you enjoy the day, and or you are enjoying the day. So from College Park, Maryland, we still bring you greetings. So if we have anything else to do, I'll bring you highlights later. We'll bring you, folks. But for now, we'll talk to you soon. Well, since everything is going all right, folks, I'm sure you have experienced this. When things are going good, you feel like doing something else. So things are going great in the Shippy the Explorer's household. We're getting things done. So I'm just gonna do some extra work and clean up the leaves from the entrance, and then go down and check on the check on the dog. Well, we love the leaves, but the leaves are constant this time of the year. Right. So let's go down and check on the animal. Uh-huh. What's up, what? What? Oh, the sandwich? Mm-hmm. Yeah, look a piece. We'll go down and come back. Check on the dog. Yeah, come right back. This gate, that's Barbie, baby from coming downstairs. There we go. Uh-huh.
When you come in, bring the pot or the fridge for me.
Which part?
In the fridge down there. Can you manage or not?
What kind of pot?
A pot is in the fridge down there.
Okay, all right. There we go. Guys promised that they would. Hey, what's up? You get a biscuit? Extra. A Sunday biscuit. The guys say they're supposed to check on this for me and service it, so I guess this is a big gas boiler, natural gas boiler, heater, complex system that we have in the house. Bryant. Uh-oh. So why did he leave? Why did he punch the this must be a thermostat. As I come down, it must be a thermostat. Oh boy. Stuck it in the system and then maybe forgot it. Anyway, I'll call him, and I guess that means he probably have certainly checked on the system for me. So we are good to go. I think we're good to go. All right. So this 1946 Sears cold spot, folks, still running. Not a repair or maintenance or nothing. Freezer down the bottom and refrigerator up the top. This is how the fridge used to look in 1940 something. And let me step back and take a picture of it so you can see it. Look at that. Sears cold spot. Solid as a diamond. Anyway, that's a short tape to say that Shipping Explorer, we have been exploring and showing you what has taken place today, and talk to you later. Hopefully you have enjoyed this part of the program and have learned something from it. But in any case, tomorrow we start to bring you highlights of construction as we go along in getting this bathroom together. Talk to you later. Take care. Take care of yourself and others. Bye. Let's get in this refrigerator and take out this. Oh, not that pie. Oh, the pot. Yes, that's what she wants.